What's about to go down, Erica? Tell me what's happening.
Well, you see, Dino Spadino here is gonna ski.
First time ever, so this video is gonna be ugly. Ready? All right, see if I can not kill myself. Actually, let's see if I can even figure out how to put them on, because I don't even know how. That's where I'm at. This one has an L on it, so I'm guessing that means for my right foot. Conditions are not ideal right now, but
Not gonna complain.
yeah, can't complain. Little wet, little wet. Love you.
Love you. Happy date day.
Oh yeah, happy date day. Let's get this pointed for you, so you can just throw her on your wrist and.
Have you been riding with your goggles down?
No,
Me neither.
I can't see through them. I mean, I'd like to keep the water out of my eyes, but I can't see. And now that I'm on skis,
Can't risk it.
can't risk it. What am I about to do, Erica?
Send it.
Off the lift for the first time?
With skis.
Here we
AKA yard sale.
No way. I'm not gonna yard tip. Keep tips up.
That way.
I'm going straight. I don't know. I don't know how to turn, so I don't even know how to stand up. Oh my god. I didn't fall. Tried to like do like a sideways stop. Nah, wasn't happening. Was not happening.
Where are you going?
I'm going down this one.
Valley View?
Yep. This is all I got, Erica. This is my one move. I don't know how to turn. I'm gonna try to turn. Oh no. Oh no, this is bad. This is bad. Look at Erica over there being the expert. Just messing around. I'm over here, nearly dying. Turtle mode. Straight up turtle mode. Actually, you know what? Hey. Old Dino's getting the hang of it already. Shoot me to the Black Diamond. Up next. Oh no. Woo! About crashed. Getting a little speed up there. Whoa! All right. Tell you what.
You said. Go time.
You gonna go in front of me and get me, or are you gonna
Yeah.
That's probably my worst transitions yet.
All right, Dino Spadino. I don't know if it's recording or not.
Yeah, it's still.
Down goes Dino Spadino. look at defeat.
That was my worst run ever.
There you go. Oh gosh, you got the GoPro. Hello. Hi. Woo! Hot seat coming up.
Hot seat, aka cold seat, cold wet seat.
Please stop trying to pull it.
Sorry. Oh man, that was bad. That was a bad run. I did bad.
It's really hard to try to GoPro and snowboard.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I was concentrating on holding it and I'm like, oh, I forgot to snowboard.
As far as like good goes, that was bad. So.
Oh, look at a little tot.
What do you think?
What?
What do you think
Yeah, what do I think?
of my skiing? You see that guy yard sale himself up there?
Yeah, I think you guys kind of went in each other's paths.
Oh, I was in front of him, so it was his fault. Oh God, here he comes again.
It's a little sketch.
Yeah.
Kind of a wild card there.
So that's what they mean when they say ski fast, lose pass. Straight line down that last bump. Well, if that guy can straight line it, I can too.
Alright, let's see it.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh man, that sucked! Oh God! Oh, Erica fell. Worst spot. Just killed that hill, dude. Skiing.
Okay.
Never skied in my life. 1, 2, 3, dropping.
Bye.